Damn, Doodle, you made this?
We get a dig right here real quick, come on. The highway today, this is the only reason why I ain't get on, excuse me, get on the highway just because of all this traffic. Yeah, but we're gonna hit this back road, man, make it do what it do. Got these paddle shifters. This make it way more fun to drive too, instead of having to freaking click this up and down all the time. It's a nice day today in Sacramento, man. I've been waiting on a nice day like this, man. Car sound good too with the windows down. I usually don't ride with my windows down, but car sound good, yo. It don't sound raspy or nothing. It sounds just right. But yeah, man, we about to hit these back roads and just have some fun. It's a real nice day today. But yeah, man, I want to make sure I could get this nice POV footage for y'all, man, because that's one thing I never got to do for y'all. And I just wanted y'all to be able to see how the car drive and ride, and be able to hear some nice sound clips of it too. So once we get a little deeper in these roads, we're gonna have way more fun than we're doing right now, man. Careful on these back roads, and I got traction control off. They got some mean bumps. Y'all seen in my other videos and stuff, like when I did a review on the Akon GTR style headlights, I always come to this back road. Let me turn my traction control on, because them bumps is ugly. But look at these cows over here, y'all. They got a lot of land out here, a lot of land. I'd love to have a house just in the middle of nowhere. Do whatever the hell you want to. Man, this Drake be moving. Like, G37 is definitely a good car. G35, G37 is definitely a good car, especially if you got a HR or VHR in that car. Can't go wrong. Did they open that street up yet? No, they ain't gonna open it up yet. It's halfway. But yeah, man, let's let these windows down. Let's get this shit sound like a GTR real quick. I'll give y'all a nice ass pull real quick. This gonna be my little nice 22-second here. Or should I do a dig? You want a dig? We get a dig right here real quick. Come on. Don't sleep on these cars, y'all. I'm telling y'all, like, you see what it do? You what it do? Ooh, I can't even go down here. What the hell? They probably heard me doing that too. I don't care. But y'all see what these cars do, man. Don't sleep on the G37. And I know a lot of people that say when they hit the turn off the traction control button to do a burnout, some people say that even when they do that, they still get that fuel cut. I can honestly say I pulled the fuse out one time and literally put it right back in. After that, this shit worked completely fine. Like, I could do burnouts whenever I want to, whatever. Y'all just seen it, you feel me? So I don't know. I think it's too because I got that ECU tech, you know what I'm saying? But shoot, I could really do much. I could do a lot in this car. My bad, I got tongue twisted, but I could do a lot in this car, man. I love this car, man. This car never gave me no problems neither, like real talk. No problems. Most problem I had was like with changing my brake pads and my rotors out and still getting the rear feeling, but I wasn't doing something correct. I could accept that on my end. So other than that, that's the only problem I have. Other than that, I ain't have no problems with nothing else with this car, man. Ain't never leave me stranded. I ain't never, damn, that's a big ass house right there, y'all. But it never left me stranded. It always give me the point A and B, and this is my daily driver. I wish it wasn't, low key, like, I wish it wasn't, but this is my daily driver right here. But yeah, these are good cars, man, real talk. I might have to do a should you buy an Infiniti G37 in 2023 video. I'm gonna have to do that for y'all, give y'all some good reasons why or why not. But hell yeah, just wanted to give y'all a nice POV video real quick, man. Tomorrow I'm going to this fire Sac Speed Shop car event at the racetrack, so I'm gonna meet up with my boy Reg. It's gonna be turned, so y'all stay tuned for that video too. Not do that. But yeah, man, Infinitis are great cars. Like, it's not even a freaking review on the car. I just can't even, every time I hop in this car, no bullshit, like, it just make me happy. It surprised me, like, never went this far down this road. I don't think so. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to get me like at least like 2 to 3 videos today, get something going, get some good content. That's a big ass truck. Traction control on, my car all over the freaking road. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, it's your boy Mo, and I'm out.